Hello, I'm Luther Ragsdale, broker, CEO of Platinum Real Estate, and I want to personally invite you to my upcoming free $1,000,000 producer webinar. This is a free webinar that I want to teach you how you can take your real estate business to the next level. I have created a series of free online webinars to help you build your real estate business. Who should attend? Real estate brokers, real estate investors, real estate agents. You need to attend this powerful free webinar. Guess what? It's going to cost you nothing. And matter of fact, I'm going to give you something for free. When you attend this free webinar, I'm going to give you my free ebook, Social Media for Real Estate Agents. Listen, every $1,000,000 producer workshop, I cover different information, things like internet marketing, social media marketing, listings, prospecting, buyer agency. The real estate market is changing right in the front of our eyes. What used to work last year, last month, last week, those things, those strategies, they don't work anymore. So it's time for you to learn a new way to build your real estate business. And I want to teach you at my upcoming free $1,000,000 producer webinar. It's absolutely free. Join me online. Seating is limited, so you must register. You can also find out more right here on my website, lutherragsdale.com. Join me. Upcoming $1,000,000 producer free webinar. I'm going to show you strategies on how you can grow your real estate business. Join me live. I look forward to speaking to you very, very soon. Thank you, and may God bless you. I'm Luther Ragsdale, broker, CEO, Platinum Real Estate.